back to Tasha's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to go and just do a quick little vlog of what's going on in the garden. It is really windy outside, so I'm going to try my best to avoid the wind in the camera. So I apologize ahead of time if there is a lot of wind, but it is going to be getting really cold tonight and I need to cover my plants. I have a lot of cool weather crops out there, so my brassicas and my onions, but I don't want them to get burned by just the harsh cold wind and temperature. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to water my plants a little bit because when it's really windy, that also sucks the water out of the leaves. So I'm going to give them a little bit of water so whenever the wind does calm down a little bit, they have a chance to rest and drink up. So let's go. So I had to bring my plants indoors because it's just way too windy out there. So I'm trying to protect them as much as I can. I am bottom watering my indoor seedlings right now. I had to bring them indoors because it's just way too windy out there and I don't want to stress them out because they're just really small right now. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot, it's cold out here. Alexa, what's the temperature?
It's 47 degrees right now with a high of 68 and a low of 20 today. There's a wind advisory in effect until 1 a.m. Monday with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. So be careful if you're heading out.
I'm gonna grab a jacket. Let's go check the fish. Whew. Oh my goodness. So they're doing really good down here. They just chilling. None of them have found their way over here just yet. Let's go check the brassicas and see how they're doing. I'm not too worried about the onions. They do pretty good. So it looks like it's starting to snow. It's weird because that was not in the forecast. So it's okay because everything we have out there is fine. My hands are frozen.
Frozen.
Yes, we covered the lettuce and the brassica. We covered the onions. And we did 2 covers on the brassicas just in case because we're told it's supposed to get in the 20s, but you never know with Oklahoma weather, it just might get even colder. I checked the fish. They seem fine. They're just sitting there. Usually they do that when it's cold. They just sit there and don't do much of anything. So I think everything is fine. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna go back to fertilizing and watering my plants, my seedlings, but I want to show you guys what I have so far. What sprouted so far is my basil, my parsley, cilantro, and a couple of these tomato plants. I also have some dill that has sprouted. Now the only thing that has not sprouted just yet is this sage, which I honestly am completely fine with that. I think I might try cold stratifying it next year if I don't get anything this year. These are my flowers so far. I have the sunflowers, calendula, zinnias, more sunflowers. My marigold has not come up yet. My switch chard has come up. My broccoli and kale has not come up just yet. And then up here, I have ground cherry, tomatillo, Roma VF tomato, the cherry, large red cherry, and iceberg lettuce. My lavender is still doing wonderful. And these are my peppers. I did have them outside, and I think it kind of stunted them because of how strong the winds have been, and the weather has just been crazy. So when it was really warm, I had them outside and they were soaking up the sun, and then they just stopped. So we'll keep an eye on these and see how things go. This is some more lavender, and this was outside. It's a little beat up because of the wind. I have some eggplant right here. I actually have about 3 eggplants, 2 basil, and they look gorgeous. I have a couple of, oh, there's another eggplant actually. I have a couple of more brassicas, and they were outside, and I thought I was on top of getting rid of all of the eggs that were underneath the leaves, but obviously not. So I'm just gonna have to be extra cautious. Same goes for you guys. Make sure that you're checking underneath those leaves. I had these in an area where I did not think that they would be found, but apparently the joke is on me because they obviously found it. I have some more brassicas over here and 2 more. So I am pretty set. Here is some lavender with those brassicas, some cabbage seedlings, some more broccoli seedlings, and another basil. And this one is even more gorgeous. I have my onion seedlings right here. These are red burgundy bulbing onions. So I think I left the other ones outside, so I'm definitely going to have to go and get those. They're still very tiny, so I want to be very cautious or very careful with them. The other thing that we are going to do is cut the hedges in the front of the house because they look terrible and they started to go to flower. I don't really know much about those hedges, but I want to go ahead and start fixing up the front yard. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be done for today. So it is almost spring, so we're trying to go ahead and do as much as we can. A couple of our flowers are starting to bloom in the front, so I can't wait to show you guys that. And I think I'll do that on a different video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant. And if you can't find it when you type it in, I also have it linked down in the description below. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Make sure that you like and share this with a friend. And as always, I'll see you next time.